Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and the Keyboard. Following that, tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes, and when you find the best one for you, you can select it by tapping on it. Now click on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And when you're done, hit Apply to save your keyboard. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same theme settings, but this time click on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!